This will be a blind camera test comparison between the iPhone 16 Pro Max versus the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So this is just going to be a straightforward and simple test. I went out, I had both phones with me, took a bunch of pictures. And at the end, I'll reveal which pictures came from which phone. So let's get started. Enjoy the video. Quick little video test comparison between the iPhone 16 Pro Max versus the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Now both phones are filming in 4K 30 frames per second in the 1x zoom. Alright, so again, this is a blind test, so let me know in the comments below which side you think is the iPhone and which side you think is the S24 Ultra. Alright, so I'm just walking around here. I would say this is, it's during the day, but I'd say it's kind of like a medium lighting situation. It's like the yard here is in half shadow, half sunlight, so you can see. So let me know in the comments below how the cameras are handling this situation. All right. So I'm just moving around. Let me know. I'm gonna go up and let me know of the dynamic range. Right. I'm gonna look up. Let me know how that looks. Alright, so I'm going to walk over here now in the area where there is sunlight. I'd say it's about mid to late afternoon-ish. I'm going to go up to the sun a little bit here. Let me know how that looks. How are the cameras handling the sun? Let me know. So I'm going to go over here. Let me know how this looks. Okay. Again, 4K 30. Which one looks better? Let me know. There's me, as you can see, walking around. Now I'm gonna walk kind of fast here. Let me know which one's more stable. I'm gonna spin around. I'm gonna walk again, kind of fast. Let me know which one is more stable here. Okay, let me know down in the comments. Okay, so here's the little nighttime footage between the iPhone 16 Pro Max and the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. And again, this is filming in 4K 30 frames per second in the 1x zoom here. So just your standard video here, your typical video that you're gonna shoot. So I'm out here, again, this is the nighttime situation here, middle of the night, so yeah. So as you can see, this is the 24 Model 3 performance here. So we'll go check it out. Check out the red brake calipers, etc. Yeah, man, this car is super fun to drive, super fast, 0 to 60 in 2.9 seconds. Yeah, love it. But anyway, let me know in the comments below what you think about the video quality thus far, and which side do you think is which? The 16 Pro Max or the S24 Ultra? So yeah, here's the car again. So I'm gonna go over here. So let me know the quality, the dynamic range, etc. Got this car coming up to the stop sign here. So have a look at that. Also the audio, how do I sound out here? Yeah, it's at night, but the lighting is pretty decent in this area, so shouldn't be a problem. So yeah, so what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna walk kind of fast towards this tree. See that tree right there? Right in the middle. So I'm gonna walk kind of fast. Let me know which one's more stable. All right, there you go. No special modes or anything. That's just in 4K 30 frames, 1x zoom. So yeah, I'm gonna go up to the light, let me know how that looks. And again, here's the car. All right, let me know in the comments below which video you think looks better, or are they about the same? Let me know down below. Peace out. So the reveal is, on the left side were pictures from the iPhone 16 Pro Max. And on the right side were pictures from the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Did you get it right? Were you wrong? Which one did you think looked better? Anyway, let me know your thoughts on this comparison in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.